are you guys doing out there? Come on in. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Ted Patrick Baird checking in from Merida, Mexico, and we are doing an Airbnb tour. So first off, we have this very secure gate. There's a deadbolt that goes right here. So when you lock it, it feels secure. There's a lock here as well that can keep your garage very safe and secure. You can have the option to park a car right in this area. Both of these doors, they open up to the streets so you can easily park a car here and feel secure. We have this beautiful garden that sits in the center of the apartment. You can just come out at night, have a drink, share some laughs with your friends, and it's the perfect place to entertain as well. Then over here, we have one of the hammocks. So you have to be careful when using this hammock because there are ants that crawl all over it. The pool definitely looks cool. If you come out here at night, the lights are low. It is just a perfect vibe for a chill night at home. But the issue with this pool is, since it's a non-circulating body of water and it's stagnant, it attracts mosquitoes. Me personally, I don't have any issues with mosquitoes. I don't tend to get mosquito bites. But when my friend Mike came and visited me, he got eaten alive. So if you are prone to mosquito bites, you may want to pass on the pool because it will cause a lot of nuisance and kind of ruin this outdoor area for you. This area is incredibly beautiful. Sometimes in the morning, I'll come out and journal, have my morning coffee, do a little meditation. It's a beautiful way to start your day by coming out to this beautiful area and kind of getting your mind ready for the day. There's a lot of beautiful backdrops that make the perfect setting for an Instagram photo. I did one of my thumbnails here. Every single part of this house and this wall has a beautiful area for the perfect photo moment. I want to show you a very important part of the house. You see this right here? First night I got here, I was taking ice cold showers. How am I paying $1,200 a month and I can't get a hot shower? Well, I soon realized that you need to heat all your water before you use it. So this is the water heater, and this down here is the gas. So whenever you want a hot shower, you have to turn on the pilot and make sure that you give 5 to 10 minutes for the water to heat up. The gas costs around $25 US and it will last you around 2 weeks. Next, we go through these beautiful carpenter doors, and this door has a double lock on it as well with a deadbolt. This opens up to the living room where we have a beautiful yellow couch that is a pull-out. It's around a twin-size mattress, so if you're over 6 feet tall, you may have some issues with sleeping on it. Beautiful bathroom here with a big, sturdy barnyard door, and inside we got some nice rock accents with this kind of pop art mirror. It's very open, very bright. There's a lot of light that comes in here, so it doesn't get dark. Very beautiful, very open. We have the shower, but just make sure you wear flip-flops so that you don't get any type of fungal infection. There's a desk here that you can use to eat breakfast in the morning, grab your morning coffee. If you do a lot of work on the computer, you'll be able to do that in comfort because there's a beautiful leather chair here with a lower back support. This house is very compatible for digital nomads. Over here, I got my charging station. A pro tip is to bring an extension cord from your home country. That way you only need to convert one plug. This area right here kind of brings back some post-traumatic stress because I was sitting right there when I got my termination from Amazon. But it's all good. We keep it moving. Next, we have the kitchen over here, which comes fully stocked. Cups, coffee cups, a blender. We have pots and pans down here, cleaning supplies. It is a gas grill. I always prefer gas grills as opposed to the coil grills. It has all your supplies for cooking over here. It's just very well stocked. So if you want to eat healthy, if you're tired of eating out all the time, this kitchen is fully capable to cook some exquisite meals. We also have the water down here. It costs around 50 pesos, which is around $2 to refill the whole jug. And Mayra, the owner of this Airbnb, has a special connection with an alkaline water company. So if you contact her through the Airbnb portal, she will be able to set up a delivery so you don't have to haul all your water to and from the grocery store. There are 2 fans in the living room, one here and one over the workstation. There is a complete AC unit inside the living room as well. Since this is an Airbnb and you don't have to pay for electricity, run that AC all day so you can keep your apartment cool. Now we're gonna go through these 2 wooden doors to reveal the bedroom. The bedroom has its own private access. There's also a hammock that allows you to lounge in your room. Pretty standard size bed. If you are over 6 feet, it's gonna be about 3 inches too short for you, but if you curl up, you can definitely fit. Comes with like a lot of reading material, a lot of Mayan art on the walls, and a Mayan sculpture. You have your own wardrobe over here, which has plenty of space for 2 to 3 people to stow their clothes. A chest of drawers as well in the corner, and you have a flat screen TV to wind down at nighttime. So to go over the pricing, it is $1,200 a month to rent this apartment. You get around a 30% discount if you rent it by the month. If you plan on traveling to Merida and want to be centrally located, this is the apartment for you because Centro, which is the main town center where all the action is about a 15-minute walk. Then you have the Paseo de Montejo, which basically is the Champs-Élysées of Merida. Beautiful, beautiful street with lots of trees, lots of Spanish colonial buildings. You have all the marquesita vendors and a lot of indoor, outdoor dining. Let me know what you guys think. It's $1,200 a month for this location. It includes water, it includes electricity. The only thing you need to do is pay for the gas, which will probably cost you around $50 for 1 month. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know below, would you stay in this apartment? Do you think it's overpriced? Do you think it's underpriced? Let me know your thoughts. Are you shocked at the quality of life that you can afford in Merida? I will leave all the information in the description below. You can contact Mayra if you want to rent out this place for your next vacation in Merida.